In this video, I will show you how to download the Zoom app on your PC or laptop. First things first, open any web browser that you prefer. In the search bar, type Download Zoom and hit Enter. This should bring up several results related to downloading the Zoom application. Look for the link that leads directly to the official Zoom website. It will typically read something like Download Center for Zoom apps and plugins. Click on this exact link. It's important to ensure you're downloading from the official source for security reasons. Once you're on the official download page, scroll down until you see a section titled Zoom Workplace for Windows. Here you'll find several options available for download. For most users who have modern devices, selecting Download 64-bit is recommended. Click on Download 64-bit. The installer file will begin downloading onto your device. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, typically found in your Downloads folder. The file will be named something like Zoom Installer Full.exe. Now that you've found the installer file, double-click it to run it. If prompted by user account control asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes to proceed. The installation process will begin immediately. This might take a minute or two as files are copied and configurations are set up. Just sit back and let it do its thing. Once everything is completed successfully, you'll see a pop-up message stating the installation was successful. At this point, all that's left is to click Done to close out of the installer. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your PC or laptop. Now you're ready for all those online meetings and classes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.